Hey there Discord users, and welcome to Tech Basics. Today's video is all about how to leave Discord servers. Let's get started. First of all, open your Discord app on your device. Once you're on Discord, just tap on the back button at the top left corner of your screen. At the left side of the screen, you'll see all your servers. Now go to the servers that you want to leave. Once you selected the servers that you want to leave, just tap on the server name with the right arrow beside it. From here, just scroll down a little bit and you'll see the option to leave server. Just tap on it and just confirm it by pressing yes. Now, you have left the server and no longer the part of it. And that's it on how to leave Discord servers. If you have any question or run into any trouble, leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.